This video will be explaining how to use the website getyourrefund.org. This year, VITA will be offering a virtual option to have a certified IRS tax preparer do your taxes without having to wait in line at a location. All you would need is a tablet or a smartphone with internet service. What documents will you need in order to start? A valid ID, this could be a driver's license, a state ID, or a passport. Social Security number, TIN, or W-7. W-2s or 1099s or other forms of income. 1095A, which is your marketplace health insurance if you have it. If you are self-employed, have all documented income, total cost of business along with mileage to correctly itemize deductions. 1098T if you or dependent attended school, along with valid receipts with expenses such as books, laptop, any materials needed for class. Information on how you'd like your refund if you should receive one. If you would like direct deposit, please have your routing number and account number available. If you have a PIN from the IRS, have that at the ready. Let your tax preparer know if you received a stimulus payment. Click on Get Started after you made sure that you have all your documents. Follow that with selecting File Taxes with Help. There's going to be a few questions to get you started. Select what year you're filing. It's okay to pick multiples. Just make sure you know which documents belong to which year. We are going to need to know what those years looked like in taxes. This will be done through a few simple questions. It's going to ask if you earned rental property, owned a farm, or made more than $66,000 per household. If any of those apply to you, you're out of scope. If not, press none of the above and continue. From there, you will have to answer some questions. Please make sure you provide us with a reliable form of contact. This way we can communicate with you to make appointments or ask any questions. Remember, a certified IRS tax preparer will be doing your taxes, and we want to make sure that we get them right. You can select how you'd like to get contacted, either text messages or phone calls, whatever you're comfortable with. The website will go step by step on everything the tax preparer will need to get your taxes done for you. If you are filing as married, we will need your spouse's name, birthday, and social security number. Make sure you have the social security numbers of any dependents that you may be claiming. We will need their birthdays, what's the relationship they have to you, how long have they lived with you, and any other questions will be prompted on the screen. Once you've answered those questions, it's time to upload your documents into our secure system. Again, it's important to have a valid ID, either driver's license, state, or passport. We will need you to take a selfie with the ID to verify your identity, the same with your spouse if you're filing joint and married. We will need photos of your social security numbers along with your spouses or any dependents that you are claiming. Take photos of your income. This includes W-2s or if you're self-employed, 1099s or other proof of income. Make sure that it's clear and that we're able to read them. All of this needs to be uploaded by you. We cannot take a photo that's from the internet, text message, or email. We want to make sure that the information is valid and that it's safe. When you're done, you'll get a survey that will ask you your ethnicity, if you and your spouse can read a newspaper, if there are any people in your household that have a disability, if you served in the armed forces. Once finished, you'll get a confirmation number indicating that the information has been received. You should also be receiving this confirmation number through text or email. A tax preparer will want to make an appointment to briefly go over all of your information in order to make sure that your taxes are done correctly. They will either contact you through text message or email to set this appointment. Make sure that you give us a reliable number in order to do that. You will be contacted a second time in order to review your finished taxes. This is to make any corrections that are needed and for you to ask any questions if you have any. Remember, this is an IRS certified tax preparer. We want to make sure that your taxes are done correctly. After you reviewed everything, we will want you to do an e-signature for us to e-file it for you. If you do not provide us with that signature, we cannot file your taxes for you and it will be deemed incomplete. If you miss that appointment, make sure to contact us to make another one. Once your taxes are finished, a copy will be sent to you either text message or email. File them in a secure location for safekeeping.